Welcome back. Today is Sunday and we come back to the Pink Sunday video. I'm EmRatThich and we continue with the last video of the new trend in table tennis series, part 3, Miu Hirano. I have talked about Zhang Jike part 1, Harimoto Tomokazu part 2, and this is the part 3, Miu Hirano.
これで卓球台の上の担ぎ人形を倒すことができるのか。
これできますか？自信ないんですけど頑張ります。
とやや自信なさげですが、やらせていただきます。スマッシュでドン。平野選手 VS 担ぎ人形。いざスタート。うわ。すげえ。平野選手あっさりクリア。
Miu Hirano is considered the first female table tennis player who was successful with this new style in table tennis. For me, she is phenomenal, exceptional, because she is the first player who invented many attacking weapons with the new ball. But first of all, a player in Germany has emailed me, "Dear coach, I owe you more than a thank. By reading your blog, Pink Sunday, I know about the China training camp, and I have been selected this summer at Shanghai University Sport." Oh, congratulations! I'm very happy for you. So you can see here, this is admission notice for the summer training camp from July to August this year in Shanghai, China. It is so great because this China training camp has covered the tuition fee and lodging during the summer. So I really hope you enjoy your training with the Chinese coach in Shanghai. I have explained the principle of this trend in my previous video. This trend will affect how young players train, tactics, and playing style in table tennis. In the near future, you will see more another young players with a similar style like Harimoto or Miu Hirano. And here is a research article, Effect of Changing Table Tennis Ball Material from Celluloid to Plastic, by the Japanese researcher Yuki Inaba. And this researcher has confirmed my observation about the new ball. The y-axis is the vertical position or the height of the bounce. The x-axis is the distance after the bounce. You can clearly see that the plastic ball red curve will bounce higher and advance shorter, slower. So look at here, the red curve is for the plastic ball and the blue one is for celluloid ball, old ball. So even for a smash or a ride with spin, the new ball will bounce higher and advance lower. This will give player more time to counter hit, to react. So this is the reason of the new trend. Maybe some player will wonder, what is the counter hit or counter attack style? Okay, so let's see some example of Harimoto and you will understand what I mean.
もともと張本って幼少期からフラットで打つのが得意だった。ラケット位置がニュートラルで高いでしょ、他の選手に比べて。だからフラットで最短距離でボールに対して合わせられるっていうのは。
Have you seen that? So counter hit style is hitting the ball very soon on the bounce, aggressive attack on the ball close to the table, focus more on the speed. The racket position is high. It is more like hitting than top spinning. And also counter hit on of the long ball of the opponents, risky but high reward shots. In 2017, Miu Hirano is the biggest phenomenon in table tennis. She was the first player who brought the new trend in table tennis. Asian Championship 2017 was the real breakthrough tournament for Japan's young Miu Hirano. She turned just 17 on the same day when she won the women's singles final and took the gold medal. Miu Hirano has won against Ding Ning. It was a big surprise, because at this time players and coaches are not very familiar with this aggressive hitting style. Miu Hirano play a lot of long ball and then attack to the white corner. It is so pressure to play with this style.
最终，平野美宇以12比10战胜了新科奥运冠军丁宁，挺进亚锦赛女单4强。您挺进4强，平野美宇说：“这是给自己最好的生日礼物。”然而，小美宇当时还不知道，更大的惊喜还在后面等着她。接下来的半决赛，平野美宇的对手是朱雨玲。
And then Miu Hirano has won 4-0 against Zhu Yuling, and in the final she wants Chen Meng to become the youngest Asian champion in the history.
变幻莫测的发球加上流畅快速的衔接，平野美宇以3比0速胜，她淘汰了朱雨玲，挺进女单决赛。平野美宇在决赛的对手是陈梦，联合2名国乒主力，这是中国队的最后一道防线，陈梦能守住吗？开局，平野美宇迅速进入状态，她以11比9先下一城。慢热型打法的陈梦在第2局才慢慢找回感觉。不过平野美宇没有给陈梦反击的机会，她以11比8再下一城。第3局，平野美宇愈战愈勇，而对手陈梦则被平野美宇全面压制，被动不已。平野美宇以10比7拿到赛点。就这样，平野美宇以3比0战胜陈梦，获得了亚锦赛的女单冠军。这是时隔21年后，日本队获得的第3个亚锦赛女单冠军。对于平野美宇来说，这一次也算是弥补了此前的遗憾，完成了职业生涯的一大突破。
すごく嬉しいですし、自分がすごくびっくりしてます。考えてないですし、まず一回も勝ったことない相手だったので、ベスト8を目標にしていたので、もうすごく作戦はというよりかはすごく気持ちが向かっていけたので、強い選手なので、もう思い切って自分の力を出すだけと思ってやってました。
And then Liu Guoliang has analyzed this defeat of Chinese women's team. He confirmed that Miu Hirano is a real talent. He proposed that the team should learn from this defeat and asked the team to study this trend in table tennis. So now you understand that this new trend in table tennis is originally developed in Japan. This trend fits well Japanese table tennis players because they are smaller and less physical strength, less power than Chinese players. So to compete with the full power hawks of the Chinese player, they will rely on the speed and the aggressiveness.
すごく憧れてるんですけど、やっぱりいつか倒さないといけないので、そうやって言ってくださることは嬉しいですし、本当に勝てるように頑張りたいです。そうですね、今回こうして3人の選手に勝てたので、なんですかね。
Nowadays, this trend has changed the young generation playing table tennis. Miu Hirano, Hina Hayata, Harimoto Tomikazu, and another young Chinese players.
それは目標を口にすることはいいことだと思います。できる。
So, if you are the female table tennis player or your daughter or your friend want to adapt to this new trend, so what should you do? Here is my quick advice. Focus more on the counter attack and counter hit on the bounce. With the new trend, you don't need to serve shots, but can learn a high risk, fast or long serve, and then counter attack the next ball. Second, put the opponent under pressure. Each time they serve, you attack the serve with the flick or the aggressive long push. It is easier to attack the serve with the new ball now. And third, if you are a coach, you can incorporate some fast rallies counter hit training on your player. And ask the player to attack at the right angle on both sides. Use backhand to hit the ball close to the table. This type of training gives some advantage, like using the own speed of the ball to win, make the opponent less time to react, and don't block but counter hit every ball. I hope that this video can help you understand more the recent trend in table tennis, which focus a lot on speed, reaction time, and the aggressiveness in service and service return. The trend is shifted more from steady and powerful attack at mid-distance domination the scenes during 2010 to 2016 to quick attack and counter hit close to the table from 2016 to now. So that is for today. See you!